Welcome to the second ever Wednesday show. I'm your host, Aiden Montalvo.
And I'm Dani Vargas.
Hey Scots, it's October, so that means it's officially National Bullying Prevention Month, and it's Red Ribbon Week. What's Red Ribbon Week? Well, it's the nation's oldest and largest drug prevention awareness program. And if you want to know what's going on with the events at Highland for this, listen up.
Seniors, Justin's will be here on campus taking orders for cap and gowns during lunch and by the finance office. Cap and gowns are $18.55, including tax. You may also shop online at justins.com.
Students at Highland, the front office will no longer be releasing students during lunch. Also, students will be not released until and after 3:30 on regular schedule and early out schedule.
And now it's time for a quick break.
Remember this, bullying creates bullies.
Welcome back, and here's our weather report for the week.
Just like you'd expect from Bakersfield. Even in October, we're still gonna be in the 90s. But Scots, I got some really important things for you to remember. So don't forget this. FAFSA, also known as Financial Aid, applications open October 1st. CSU applications open October 1st till November 30th. UC applications open August 1st till November 30th. Remember that.
We are now going with Ian to talk about events happening here at Highland in October.
Hey Scots, I'm Ian Aguila. Let's talk about some upcoming events happening this October. On October 12th, there will be Principal Partner Day. On October 13th, there will be a fall band concert. And on October 14th, the first quarter ends. On October 17th, it will be Pride Week. On October 19th, it will be the Link Crew movie night. On October 20th, there will be a food sale and Pride Day. On October 21st, there will be a fall sports rally. October 26th, it will be senior movie night. And October 27th will be a fall production. Staff members and club advisors, if you're missing any big events happening in October, please email Mr. Zavala. Thank you.
Me personally, I'm never gonna forget those events. But now we should get to Ricky, because he's gonna tell us some information about the cafeteria.
Hey everyone, are you still hungry? Remember, the cafeteria serves breakfast, lunch, dinner, and a snack. If you're here early, breakfast is served from 8:25 to 8:55, dinner from 4 to 5, and another boost, snacks are from 5:30 to 6, all free with your UID. I hope to see you there.
And that is it for the Wednesday show. Thank you everyone for tuning in, and I can't wait to see you guys next week. Everybody, clap.
That up.